Dames en heren, over enkele ogenblikken zullen we aankomen.
Nou, het is wel hard, maar ik kan er niet van verstaan.
Ja, wat een kabaal zeg.
Welk station zijn we nou?
Ja, dat was dus echt niet te verstaan.
Oh, meneer. De omroep is niet te verstaan.
Oh, nou dat is heel goed dat u dat zegt. Ja, ik kan dat natuurlijk zelf niet altijd goed horen. Maar ik ga het zeker doorgeven aan de storingsmonteurs. Ja, dank u wel.
Maar is het niet vreemd dat ik dat zelf niet even door kan geven? Via Twitter of sms?
Nou, dat is toevallig dat u dat zegt, want daar wordt inderdaad op dit moment aan gewerkt, ja. Op de website van NedTrain.nl staat een heel leuk filmpje.
Oké, dank u wel.
NedTrain is the maintenance company that is leading the way into the future, aware of the cost, yet making sure the rolling stock meets the customer's demands. NedTrain staff, who are mostly technical, are well-trained professionals who are always safety conscious. New rolling stock types require new approaches. Developments in maintenance techniques and information technology offer new possibilities. At NedTrain, we are making the most of this by investing in our tooling and equipment, our business processes and information, and above all, in our staff. What will maintenance be like in the future? Let's travel along with the train and zoom in on the fault. A report of a problem is initially received at the OCCR, the Operational Control Centre for the Railways. Together with the operator NSR and infra provider ProRail, NedTrain's OCCR staff plan the repair work for the rolling stock. They have scenarios available for dealing with many of the problems, telling them where and how the fault can be put right. Maintenance work is always planned so that it fits in with other servicing and activities that are still outstanding. They also make sure that the problem is not getting worse and have an emergency plan ready if it does. NedTrain aims to disrupt the schedules as little as possible. The firm only goes to a NedTrain site once the rush hour is over. The construction of the new technical centres with a 6-car pit means that our sites will be even closer to the train services. The details of the problem have already been sent to the NedTrain site so that the firm can be repaired as quickly as possible after it arrives. We use Maximo for that, an IT system that lets us prepare all the maintenance work and mark it as started or complete, just in time and fully prepared. The Maintenance Management Department makes sure that the production engineers and work planners at operations have enough information to do their work properly and on time in one go. The local planner gets all the details from production preparation and fleet management, from the components and work descriptions to the handling scenarios. Everything the mechanic needs to do the maintenance properly. We work sustainably at NedTrain. Defective parts go to the recycling point and are then transported as refuse for environmentally aware disposal. We reuse materials, we separate raw materials, and we keep an eye on our energy consumption. When we upgrade the trains, we are already looking for the solutions that use the least energy. The mechanic can see on his tablet that a firm is coming in with a fault. The real-time monitoring screen is already showing him the status of the incoming train with details of the problem and his plan for this task. In unanticipated situations, the mechanic contacts the maintenance management specialist, using a head cam so that the specialist can see and advise the mechanic. Together, they can quickly find a solution. Recording and analysing trends in defects allows the reliability engineer to trace the probable root causes of faults. This can allow fleet services to take preventative measures or suggest modifications. The principle for this is risk-based management. Based on the risk assessment and any dependence on the condition of the parts, changes in the maintenance schedule can be examined so that the maintenance can be planned effectively and the requisite performance of the rolling stock achieved. Increasingly often, the mechanics work from a repair flowchart. Everything that the best mechanics and specialists know is processed into a repair flowchart. This lets the mechanic work step by step to find the shortest route to a solution. This is a smart way of using each other's skills. The train is ready to go back into service. After the repair, the train is released by a mechanic with a quality control qualification. The mechanic makes a note in the system that the fault in the PA system has been fixed. His colleague from maintenance management has now seen that in the system. The train passengers are now travelling in a properly functioning train. The customer's journey can proceed without problems once again. NedTrain, the maintenance company that is leading the way into the future.
Nou, de toekomst ziet er goed uit.
Ja. Maar welk station is het nou?
Kun je daar zien?
Oh, Eindhoven. We moeten eruit.
Ja.
NedTrain, the maintenance company that is leading the way into the future.